Hello everyone, Steve Hirsch here again from Steam Pro. Today we're going to talk about the removal of pet odor stains and odor from carpet and upholstery.
Accidents happen, but just because we love our pets doesn't mean we have to love the smells they can leave behind. At Steam Pro, we are Denver's #1 experts in pet odor control and carpet treatments to remove odor and discoloration caused by pets. We are committed to using only clean products that are 100% safe for pets and children. Our pet odor control service is typically performed in conjunction with our intense Steam Pro carpet and upholstery cleaning service. We want to ensure all of the hair, dirt, and stains are removed before we topically apply our organic bio-odor control formula. Our products are applied to both carpeting and upholstery and will fight the toughest lingering scent of urine and other pet-related odors. Our products will also neutralize the alkaline, which will deter your pet from marking their scent on your carpets and furniture. Additionally, we inject the odor control solution into the affected carpet or upholstery padding to reach those areas that contain the smell but cannot be reached by machinery. If you have pets and would like to keep your carpets and upholstery looking and smelling like new, call us or book an appointment online today.